Hi, this is Dr. Betty from Taranaki Orthodontics. Today I'm really excited to share with you about a dental monitoring app that we use in our office. You have received this preview because we're expecting you to come and see us to get your treatment started and get your account set up, and that is a link to our database as well at Taranaki Orthodontics. Hopefully this video will give you all the startup tools that you need, and we will be able to walk over any questions you have once you come into the office to see us. Thanks so much for watching. Looking forward to see you soon. Bye.
Stand in front of a mirror. Open your dental monitoring application. The application is intuitive and will guide you. Press the Take Scan button and follow the instructions.
Unmute your phone. Place your phone into the scan box and latch it in. Insert the cheek retractor and snap the scan box into place.
Position the arch downwards. Insert one side first, then the other. You will hear a click when your scan box is properly attached to your retractor. During the scan, audio instructions will guide you through the steps. Let's go.
Double tap on the screen to start the scan. For this step, bite down on your back teeth and keep your teeth together.
Start moving your head as soon as you hear the camera make a sound.
Shift the scan box to one side. Now shift the scan box to the other side.
Make sure you move the scan box at the same rate as the progress bar. Scan all the way to the side to make sure your back teeth are well seen. You can also turn your head slightly in the opposite direction if that is easier.
Back to the center.
If you need to restart the current step, simply press the Restart button.
For this next step, you'll have to keep your teeth slightly apart and scan side to side.
Open your mouth just enough for your tongue to fit in between your teeth.
For this next step, you'll have to open wide and scan up and down. Open your mouth as wide as you can. Tilt the scan box up.
You can also tilt your head slightly in the opposite direction if that is easier.
Now tilt the scan box down. Back to the front.
To remove the scan box, hold the retractor in place with your thumbs and pull the box forward. Then remove the retractor. That's it. Now it's your turn to try out your first scan.
Congratulations on beginning your Invisalign treatment and your journey to a confident smile. Here are a few tips that will help you along the way. Remember to clean your aligners before wearing them. Wash your hands with soap and water and handle only one aligner at a time. Clean both the inside and the outside of each aligner. Each aligner is marked with a U or an L for upper and lower, followed by the stage number. To insert your aligner, gently push it over your front teeth and then use your fingertips to apply gentle pressure over your molars until the aligner snaps into place. Remember, your aligners only work if they're in your mouth, so wearing them consistently will keep your treatment moving forward. Since the aligners are virtually invisible, no one needs to know you're straightening your teeth, and you can drink cool water while wearing them. If you're eating or drinking anything other than water, you'll need to remove your aligners to protect them from damage. It's also a great opportunity for good oral hygiene. Ideally, you should brush or floss after every meal or snack, but if you don't have a toothbrush with you, rinse your mouth and clean your aligners by holding them under warm, running water. Always store your aligners in a case to prevent loss and damage. Enjoy food with friends. Take photos with confidence. Invisalign doesn't interfere with your social life the way braces can. Aligner removal is simple. Use your fingertip on the inside of your back molar to slowly pull the aligner from your teeth. Repeat on the other side, then remove the aligner. Let your doctor know if you have difficulty removing your aligners. When starting a new set of aligners, switch to your new set in the evening. Rinse the new aligners and wear them for at least 12 hours straight. If you feel discomfort, ask your doctor if you should take an over-the-counter pain reliever. New aligner discomfort generally subsides in a few days. Following these simple guidelines will help improve your treatment experience and your comfort. If you have any other questions, consult with your doctor and visit Invisalign.com to see other patient success stories. We hope you enjoy the confidence of your new smile.